I got broads in Atlanta, just at the lean, the family, credit cards.
Alright, well, here we go again on Goldcrest Valley. I'm hopping into the truck and I'm about to go haul all the logging equipment down to the log site. And we're heading down there now. We're gonna load the filler buncher up first. So we will see you when we get down there. Okay, well, we pulling into the driveway at the logging business right now. And we'll park the truck right here by the gas station. And we're gonna hop into the big truck, semi, and we're gonna let it warm up a little bit while I check out the fella buncher real quick. So yeah, I don't know what it's doing right here. I gotta edit this out, but yep. So gotta hop into the semi right now. We're gonna open the garage door and we're gonna let it warm up. I'm gonna let it warm up because, as you can see, it's I don't know how many it is. I gotta check my phone to see how many degrees it is, but we're gonna let it warm up a little bit. Okay, the filler buncher's way down here. We're gonna check it out. Look at it. Nothing's wrong with it. I loaded it up. Okay, so now we're gonna hop back in. We're gonna actually what we're gonna do is we're gonna hook the ATV trailer to the pickup truck. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go look around. I'm gonna drive the ATV around the logging site and see what it looks like, what the timber looks like. So that's what we're about to go do now. We're gonna drag it up to the front and then we'll hop to the big truck, get the lowboy trailer with the fella bunch truck on. I had trouble trying to back that trailer up, so I just went a third person picked it up. Alright, we're looking at the ATV, locking the trailer down. Looking at the ATV, it's strapped down. Alright, we're not gonna hit the road yet. We're just gonna let the scare. Let's park the scare up here by the gas pump. Shut it off. Shut the scare off. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna about to hop into the semi and we're gonna hook up to the lowboy and we're gonna load the fella buncher up. Okay, so we got the lowboy loaded up. And we're gonna go load the fella buncher on it now. Gonna head down and load it up. And then we're gonna drop the pickup truck down there to the logging side. We're gonna check it out. Drive the ATV around the logging side and see what it looks, see how it looks, see if the timber's good. Yeah, so we're gonna fella buncher up right now. And we will see you when we're done and we're heading down. Okay, so now we drove the pickup truck down here first with the ATV, so now we're going to scout out to the logging site and see what the logging site looks like. And if you're wondering what that big red can on the back of the ATV is, that is a gas can. It's a gas can. It's like a big old gas tank I'll put it in the back of my ATV. So now we're going to go scout around the logging site. This one we'll put the deck in. We'll cut these three spruces down. And we're going to come down here. Okay, well, this is the big dip down here by the bridge. Okay, we're gonna get that pine tree that laid down. It's probably a big pine tree. Got spruce right there at the end. Okay, this job is really hilly. It's like right on the side of the road of a train track and on the side of a road of a road. So I gotta be really careful. I don't want to knock any trees on the road or knock any trees on the train tracks because I get fined. Oh crap! I just flipped my ATV over. Crap. Come on, there we go. Okay. These hills are rough. It's just really, really hilly right here. Spruce. Oh, branch almost hit my face. Okay, here we go. This job's got some big trees on it, so I'm really happy with this job. There we go. Okay, we just climb the mountain. Climb down it. You gotta be careful. Right, just drive back around. See, we hit up to 60 down here. Come on, let's get 60. Come on, come on, come on. We're gonna make it 60. We're gonna make it 60. No, we're gonna make it 60. We're gonna make it 60 now. Come on, we got it. Come on, 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 come on. Yes, we make it 60. We make it 60. We can make it 60. Oh, we can't make it 60. Crap. Okay, we're gonna load this back onto the pickup truck. We're gonna load it back on the pickup truck. Mr. Ramps, back up, roll up the ramps, go. Oh, stuck at first, but it wasn't. Okay, just park it right there, shut it off, fold the ramps back up. Okay, just get strapped down. Alright, so now we're gonna head back to the shop. I'm gonna head back down to the shop because I'm done with ATV. Okay. So, well, I'm gonna head back down to the shop, get the big truck, bring the fella buncher down here, we'll bring all the rest of the equipment down. Well, I'll see y'all when we get down to the shop. We are back down at the shop right now. Okay, so now we're about to hop out of the big truck, hop into the big truck, hop out of the pickup truck, hop into the big truck. Got the fella buncher all loaded up. Big son of a gun right there. Yeah, I need to lift the boom up because I'm gonna go up hills. Alright, so we will see y'all on the way down. We're gonna see y'all when we get to the long side of the fella buncher. Okay, so we're heading down right now. So I'm gonna skip through all this and we're gonna see y'all when we get down to the long side. Okay, we're almost at the long side. We're gonna pull. Okay, we're at the long side now. We're gonna drop the front, detach the front off the trailer, and we're gonna pull forward, and we're gonna load the fella buncher off and start clearing the trees down for a deck. Pulling forward, so I'm from the back to fella buncher off the trailer. Pull it up farther enough, and on the road a little bit more, no biggie. Okay. Go. Okay, we got it. Got crank up. Let the RPM build up a little bit. Okay, there we go. Gonna lift the boom up so I can fold the head to the cutting position. Cut the boom in a little bit. Open the arms. And I'm about to turn on the blade. Blade lower it, crank up. Oops. Drop it down. Right there. Okay, we're gonna get this tree right here. Got it. I'm gonna roll back up. Drop it down. Go, and I'm gonna like straighten the pile up later once I get the palm tree laid. Trees I'm cutting today on this video laid out. RPMs build up. RPMs build up a little bit so I can have enough rotations per minute to get this tree cut. Okay. lights turning. That's a good sign. That's my dog. Alright, so we got a cut. We're gonna back up a little bit. Alright, we're backing up a little bit. Got the tree cut. There we go. We're gonna drop the tree down right there. Okay, man. Alright, we gotta lay back up. There's another tree behind there. Gotta cut, and then there we go. I got my deck laid. Well, deck cut. Alrighty, so what to cut this? Oh, so there was a pie right there. I gotta figure. Let's see how close I was to that tree. I ain't close to it yet. RPM is building up. I'm built up a little bit. I already got the tree cut. Boom! Right in the pile. And the tree hopped onto my head. Crop. Okay. So now I fast forwarded it down, so I got all the equipment down here. Literally all the equipment down here. And besides the log trailer, right? Now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna drop low boy right here on the side of the road, and then I'm gonna go back and get the log trailer. So I will see you when I'm down here with the log trailer. Alright, well I got the log trailer. I'm gonna park it right there beside the loader. Park it right there beside the loader. And I'm gonna push the wheels in a little bit. I gotta pull some pins out right there so I can lock the wheels in. Alright, let's see. Here we go. Got it in. Make sure I'm not gonna hit the back of the loader, hit the skidder, hit the logs pile, or hit the processor or the grinder right there. Oh. Almost hit the grinder. So I'm gonna pull up a little bit, straighten out. The car's coming. No. Okay, we're good. Okay. I hope I'm stuck because it just rained the other day. This looks slushy and muddy right here. So back, and I don't want to get too far away from the loader because it's gonna be hard for me to load the logs onto. So we got it right here. Alright, that's good enough right there. Let's see how far I'm onto the road. Backing up a little bit so I can get off the road just in case my car comes by and not paying attention, scratch the front of my bumper. So we'll put up a little bit. Doing something on my phone real quick. I need to look at something. Crap. Okay, here we go. So now what we're gonna do is, I don't even know, hold on. Just checking out everything, make sure everything's locked up. So when I come back tomorrow, all the equipment will be locked up, so no one tries to steal my stuff. Okay, I'm gonna push my wheels in a little bit so I don't have the logs too far and it won't fit. So I'm gonna back up a little bit. Alright, there we go. Park it. Shut the equipment off. Now we're gonna straighten these logs up a little bit. Let me straighten these logs up. These logs right here. too far backwards. Not only to be too uneven, they need to be at least even good enough. These two are good. I just need to get these two right here in the middle. Okay, straighten these logs up. This one right here needs to be straightened up, and the one up beside it on the right side needs to be straightened up. Man, what the freak's going on? Checking something on the loader real quick. Check something on the oil pressure and all that. Check something real quick. Make sure the oil pressure's good. Okay. Yeah, the logs are good enough. That's good. I'm not gonna load the logs up today, so we're just about at the end of the video. So like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah. It's nothing new. Cause this is exactly what I do. What up, E?